Christina Peatrowsky, and I work for Ellerbrock-Norris. I'm a client advocate on the personal insurance team, and I'm here today to give you a quick little tutorial on how to take a home inventory. There could be several situations or circumstances in your life where you may not remember the items in your home, whether it be your contents or even parts of the structure of your house in the event of a loss. So let's get started. So first of all, I would say in your kitchen, you want to focus on your appliances. You're probably not going to remember the exact brand of your microwave or your stove, things of that nature. Your refrigerator, if you want to zoom in on serial numbers, that's even better yet. You might want to take inventory of some of your silverware, things that you just likely won't remember, and don't forget everybody's favorite kitchen junk drawers. Something else to take note of in the kitchen area are obviously light fixtures, and you'll want to focus on light fixtures all throughout your home. If you have applicable sitting rooms or what I like to call my wine room, be sure to focus on some of those kinds of things. Furniture, draperies, curtains, or things that are going to be a little more difficult to remember. And then if you have any artwork that is important to you that you may not remember, feel free obviously to focus in on those kinds of things so you can remember those in the future as well. Living rooms, again, you'll just want to focus on your light fixtures, any alarm components that you may have installed. You'll want to focus on those. TVs, furniture, fireplaces, art, draperies, carpeting, flooring, just things that you may have a little harder time remembering. If you have any alarm components in your home, you'll certainly want to focus on those. You're probably also not going to remember exactly maybe what series you had or things of that nature. Restrooms, again, here you'll want to focus on light fixtures, faucets, sinks. You're probably not going to remember exactly what your faucet looked like. Just might make things a little bit easier to adjust your claim. Laundry rooms, so you'll want to do, again, your appliances, any fixtures, things of that nature. So if you have any banisters, things of railings, you'll want to obviously video those. Again, higher light fixtures, additional alarm components, and in bedrooms, you'll just want to focus on the standard, your bed, your furniture, your draperies, light fixtures. You're going to want to open your closets. You're going to want to take some photos in there, and we can do that here in just a little bit. TVs, PlayStation, stereos, gaming equipment, computers, and some things that can't be replaced, trophies, signed bowling pins, just whatever you can think of that's important to you, but that would be very, very difficult to replace or find again. We all have linen closets, so just a quick way to take an inventory. Those also would be very difficult to remember the contents that's in there. Bedrooms, again, you'll want to, which bedrooms have ceiling fans, which ones have fixtures. Draperies obviously are going to be maybe a little different from room to room. And then again, you'll want to do your closet. You are a handbag person, you're going to want to be sure to focus on those kinds of things. You're going to want to be sure to focus on your shoes. And even if you do a quick picture of your clothes, it will probably trigger some sort of memory as to what you had in there. And again, restrooms. You'll just want to focus on light fixtures. They could be a little bit different than what you have in other areas of the home. Again, stools, faucets, showers, tubs, whatever you think would be difficult to remember. Well, that concludes our short little home tutorial. I hope you learned something today, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to any of our client advocates at Ellerbrock-Norris. We'd be happy to help.